Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up product feed optimization for Walmart Marketplace, full guide step by step clearly. To set up product feed optimization for Walmart Marketplace, begin by creating a Walmart seller account. Navigate to the Walmart Seller Center and log in. Familiarize yourself with the platform's dashboard. Prepare your product listings by gathering essential information such as product titles, descriptions, images, and prices. Ensure that your product information aligns with Walmart's category guidelines. Create a product feed template using a spreadsheet program or a data feed management tool. Include all required fields in your template, including SKU, product title, description, and images. Keep product titles clear and concise while incorporating relevant keywords. Write detailed product descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Select the right category for each product to improve discoverability. Optimize images by using high-quality photos and relevant alt text. Include pertinent attributes such as brand, size, and color, as defined by Walmart standards. Review Walmart's specifications for item specifics to avoid rejections. Once the template is complete, save it in the required format, typically CSV or TXT. Upload your product feed to the Walmart Seller Center through the Add Items section. Monitor the upload status to ensure that all items processed successfully. If any issues arise, review the error reports provided by Walmart. Make necessary adjustments to the product feed based on the feedback received. Regularly update your product feed to reflect any changes in inventory or pricing. Utilize promotional tools offered by Walmart to enhance product visibility. Continue to analyze performance metrics to refine and optimize your product feed over time. Stay informed about Walmart Marketplace policy updates for ongoing compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.